yeah, first one of the day.
Sure, man.
Nice.
You all right?
Nice.
I'm gonna show Corey how to do it here. You know, get some started here.
He called this serious on that.
I did. He missed it.
Thank you, sir. Channel pictures of him. I'll get you something to hold him with.
I did get the tail.
I hadn't the scales ain't on. I turned them on for you.